Welcome back to DIYNAT. I have a very quick review of this guy. This is a screwdriver and it is made by Klein, and as you can see the handle rotates around on the shaft, and if you've never seen one of these before, let me show you how what it's used for. This is specifically designed to take plates off outlets and switches, and what you do is you put it in there. That screw is a little screwed up. You put it in there and then crank it, and it takes it off real quick. Now, there's a danger of using a power tool to do this because the screws are pretty fine threaded, and you can very easily strip this off. So this speeds it up, but doesn't give you the danger of stripping the screw out when you're tightening it. So this is an electrician's tool specifically, although obviously you can use it for any screw, and it does a neat job of speeding up this process of taking small screws out. And the tip is removable. You can put whatever, focus there, thank you, and you can put whatever 1/4-inch hex tip you want to in there. It comes with a slotted on one side and a Phillips on the other side. So just a neat little tool to have if you're doing a lot of electrical work, but as I said, it's useful for other things. So that's the review. Not much to it, but it is kind of a neat tool, and I will appreciate you watching, appreciate you subscribing, and you take care of yourselves, and we'll see you next time.